Hi, my name is Arndt. I would like to give you an insight into the topic of signal integrity for board-to-board connectors. In modern devices from all sectors, like you see in the right picture, the number of signals is constantly increasing. At internal device interfaces, different circuit boards are often connected by board-to-board connectors. Because of several different incoming signals, a board-to-board connector must be a real all-rounder. Depending on the transmission standard, it may also be necessary to transmit signals at different impedance levels. The table shows examples of impedance levels for different standards which are often used. In addition, the signals have a different rise time depending on the standard, which affects the transmission behavior. The higher the data transmission you want to achieve, the shorter the signal rise time must be. Signals can be transmitted in differential configuration or in a single mode. Beside ground contacts, which also act for a shielding, individual contacts can be used for power transmission. Because all presented parameters have an influence on the signal integrity, exemplary diagrams are used to show which damping characteristics are present at the respective point on the signal quality. As a standard, the connectors are without external shielding. There are different types in different pitch dimensions and different number of poles. For some special requirements, shielded connectors are needed. These keep external electromagnetic fields away from the signals. A good choice, therefore, is the FP08 board-to-board connector with the ScaleX technology. It is available in mezzanine, parallel, and backplane versions. For more information, visit mauser.com.